So in this video, we're going to look at using the TI-84 to put a list of data in to find some averages. So here we've got a table with 18 jelly babies and there's 9 packets and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this into my calculator. If I go to my TI and I go to Stat, and then I just press Edit, it takes me to my lists. Now I've already entered this data into the list, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's just double check those are correct. Yep. So that was very easy. Let me just recap on that again. So if I go to, if I quit here again, I just press Stat, and then I just take the very first option and it takes me to the list. If you want to enter numbers into the list, you just type the numbers in like that. Now from there, I'm going to go to Stat again, and I'm going to go across to Calc, and I'm always going to choose the default, which is one variable stat, one var stat. Just press Enter. And then it asks me what lists I want. Now I entered the data into list 1 and list 2. So make sure you choose where you've entered the data. So to just select that, I went to second list, and I come down and say that's in list 2, like that. And then I'm going to calculate. Before I do that, let me just show you one more time how I got there. I went to Stat, Calc, and then just entered for one var, and then just entered the list. To enter the list, you go second list. So it's all about that stat bar. Now I'm going to calculate, and it gives me this huge screen of data. Well, a lot of data on this screen, and I can even scroll down to see some more data. Now, all this data I've copied over to here. The very first thing, which is called X bar, and this thing here is the mean. So that's simply the mean value, average mean. This thing here with the sigma x, this means all the x's added up. Now that's all the jelly babies all together, which is 479. And the other important one here is n, which is the number in the sample, which is 25. So if I wanted to work out the mean, I would do 479 divided by 25, and it will equal 19.16. We just go back to here. We go back to the screen before. Here, we've got 9, 17, 21, 24. This is 25 packets. That's where the number 25 comes from. And we've got other information here. We've got the minimum number, 18. Here, the minimum number is 18. The maximum is 22. Here, we've got our quartile and our median and the upper quartile. So if we had a more complicated one, we can find all these out as well. The mean, minimums, quartiles, and medians, all from the calculator.